Hello, Secret. I'm Chris Wilson, and in this video, we will query the secret network. We'll learn how to pull information from the secret network using DataHub. We can go ahead and navigate on over to datahub.figment.io, scroll down to Tutorial 3, and click Start. Oftentimes, you'll need to pull information about the blockchain and its state, such as most recent synced blocks, node information, and account details. Let's see how this can be done by using DataHub to connect to a secret network node. We will be building on top of the Node.js application you created in the previous tutorials, so make sure you've done that before continuing with this video. In your root directory, let's create a query.js file and place the following snippet into it. All right, let's get that code. Throw that in there and save. This might look familiar to you. Starting at the top, you can see that we import secret.js, the .env, and then create a new instance using Cosm Wasm client. This establishes the connection to our secret network node. Okay, let's move on to writing our first query methods. Let's start by getting more information about the node. In the query.js file, under number 1 query node info, let's add the following snippet. And save. And if you run node query.js, we can query the node, and we can see our information is quite similar. In this response, you can find information about the network, such as chain ID, its version, protocol version, and application version. And we can see all that right here. This is very useful information to make sure that the CLI you use is compatible with the node you're connecting to. Now let's get some block information. Under query latest blocks in that same bit of code, let's copy and paste this in. Hit Control S to save. And we can run node query.js again. And we should see additional information. And we do. We get the latest block, block height. There we go. You can also get a block by height. Here's one with an array of transactions, for example. Now that we had a chance to look at the network info, it's time to get more details about our account. In the query.js file we've been working on, under number 3, query account, let's go ahead and add this. And we should see a similar output to this when we run node query.js. So under 3, let's add that in, save, and then we can run node query.js. And there we go. This is what we were looking for with that last one, our account information. And there's our money on our account. That's 100 secret. So as always, let's go over here to the Data Hub. Under Query Secret Network, let's click Verify. Congratulations! Now you know how to query a secret network node with DataHub to get information you need. For more queries, please refer to the secret network documentation and secret.js. Being able to query a secret network node is fun, but wouldn't it be great if you could not only read but also write to the blockchain? In the next tutorial, we will explore the use of transactions in order to write to the blockchain state. As always, if you had any difficulties following this tutorial or simply want to discuss Secret in DataHub Tech, you can join our Discord in the link down below. I look forward to seeing you there, and until next time, happy coding.